What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Riot by XXXTENTACION. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so we're going to capo up to our 4th fret, and now keep in mind this song is in between tunings. It is not in standard tuning, and it's not a half step above standard tuning. It's in between the two. It's very weird. I'm not really sure why. This seems to be a trend that's going on with some of these songs. They just like to make them in between tunings, but keep in mind these are the correct chords, but when you try and play this along to the song, it is going to sound a little bit weird just because it's not, the song is in between tunings. But like I said, just play this along. These are the correct chords, and they just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an A minor. It's 0 0 2 2 1 0. Put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and put your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Then you're going to go C major. Keep that exact same formation. Just move your ring finger off of the G string onto the 3rd fret of the A string. So it's 3rd fret A with your middle finger, 2nd fret D with your middle finger, and 1st fret B still with your index finger. Next we're going to go F major. I'm technically doing an F major 7. I think it's just a little bit easier to switch to, but you can do the full F bar chord here. It's 1 3 3 2 1 1. I'm doing an F major 7. I'm using my thumb to grab the low E on the 1st fret. My ring finger's on the 3rd fret of the A. My pinky finger's on the 3rd fret of the D. My middle finger's on the 2nd fret of the G, and my index finger's on the 1st fret of the B. And let that high E ring open if you can. And then finally a G major. It's 3 2 0 0 0 3. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Starting on your A minor, it's going to be down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. And it switches to C on that last down, up, down, up. So again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. And once you get that down, it's going to be very easy because it's the same exact thing when you're switching from F to G. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down. And then it starts all over, and that repeats. So from the very top, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One will receive a guitar accessories kit and the other will receive a t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pick one of you lucky winners to win a free, brand new acoustic guitar. The way you can enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment on this video with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna live stream the monthly giveaway winners, and then when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna live stream the winner of the acoustic guitar, and you gotta have those notifications turned on to get notified for the live stream. I'm super excited to give away another acoustic guitar. I just gave away one when I hit 50,000 subscribers, and that just reminded me why I'm doing this. It's all for you guys, because if it wasn't for you, the channel wouldn't be where it is. So again, thank each and every one of you so much for all the love, all the support. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a comment on this video with a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we'll see you in the next video.